Hello. So I've always been interested in uniform shapes and shapes that continue and continue and how do you really explain that? Well, stuff like Celtic knots, I like them a lot. So I made this little nifty program in Java that will make Celtic knots. Very simple one. It doesn't have any variations in it. I might add that at some point, but for now it's just a quick, simple 13 kilobyte program that makes Celtic knots. So when you start it up, you can enter the window width and height. You can enter the size, which is like how big the knots are, and then the scale, which is well, you'll see, it's like the size of the paths and stuff in the knots. So I'm just going with the default values, and here it is. It's making this nice Celtic knot. I can resize the window as much as I want, and it refreshes it, and it doesn't keep any additional data in, so it will actually cut the knot just after the window ends. And when I size it smaller, it will destroy everything that was around here. So yeah, and it says here, it's a bit hard to read, but it says use the arrow keys to morph the knot. So when I press up and down, it will change the size. I can make it as big as I want, but I can't make it smaller than 0, which I should actually change to 1, because as you can see, it will get really laggy at this point, because it is just a for loop, two-dimensional for loop that will make that, so I will have to change that. But then the interesting part, the scale. This is what I meant. I can make the paths really small, and that's just squares, and I can make them bigger, like this. If I make the window full screen, now you can really see what's happening. Let's scale it really big, and I can just make it like that, or just squares. But yeah, that's the Celtic knot program that I wrote in 2 days. Well, it was more like a few hours or stuff, but it was spanned over 2 days. Yesterday I made the basic knot making, like a program that makes knots of one size and one scale, and today I added the additional option of varying the scale and optimizing the program a little bit more so it doesn't draw below the screen or stuff like that, and made the refreshing work. But yeah, that's my Celtic Knot program, and thank you for watching.